Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a basic tutorial of Microsoft Excel, especially on how to create table. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to open up my Microsoft Excel application, and if we want to create a new document, we can select this one, blank workbook, and I'm going to show you how we can input our data and how to create a table. If we want to input our data, we just need to select the cell like this, and you can type in the information you want to add. I'm just going to add number, sale, and address. I'm going to create 3 columns. Okay, and if you want to create a table, you need to add the table border. You can select the cell you want to make table, and then you can go to the border, and I'm going to select all borders. Okay, and we can customize the width and the height of our row and our column. And I'm just going to make it bigger like this. And for the row, I'm just going to leave it like that. And I'm going to add number. Okay, and if you want to autofill to make the process faster, you need to select the number or the cell like this, and then you're going to drag it down. Then you can also add fill color to your table. I'm going to add fill color to the first row. I'm going to select first row, and then we can go to the fill color and choose the color you want to add to your table. Okay, and after that, you just need to input your data right here. I'm just going to add random data to my table. Okay, and if you want to add formula, you can choose the cell you want to add the formula to. For instance, I'm going to add formula right here. I'm just going to make one more column. I'm just going to add it like this and add the fill color. Okay, I'm going to sum the sale. I'm just going to type in equal and then sum. And I'm going to sum those 2 rows. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the basic tutorial of Microsoft Excel, especially on how to create table and how to input data. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.